Hi, I'm John Kinberg and I come from Oslo, which is the capital city of Norway. This is a presentation of my final project for CS50. What I've done is to build a video converter web application using the FFmpeg libraries. This is the site, it's called ChangeVid. When you first visit the site as an unregistered user, you would see 3 pages: home, login, and register. On the register page, you're asked to enter your email address as well as a password twice. As you can see, an error message is displayed until I've entered something that meets the specified format for an email address. This is done using JavaScript and regex. The password needs to be at least 6 characters long and include a lower and uppercase letter as well as a number. This is checked as you type using JavaScript to update the CSS classes and the DOM on the page. Only when both the email and the password meets the criteria and both of the passwords match would you be able to click the register button. Before I do that though, let me show you some of the backend. This is a Flask application built using Python and Bootstrap. It has a SQLite database accessed using Flask SQL Alchemy. It consists of app.py, which is used to set up the app, import the Flask and SQL Alchemy modules, and some app config such as the secret key, database, and uploads folder. There is the models.py, which is used to create the database classes for use with SQL Alchemy. It consists of 2 classes. You have user, which holds all the user data such as ID, email, and the password hash, as well as functions to set and check the passwords. There is also conversions, which is a table used to track all the video conversions that a user does. This holds conversion ID as the primary key, user ID as a foreign key, as well as file name, actions, and timestamp. There is then routes.py, which holds all the routes and functions of the site, as well as checks to make sure that only the allowed extensions can be uploaded. When I click register, a new upload folder will be created for my user here with my user ID, which in this case would be 18. This will be used to store all of my user files, which would then be deleted every time I log out or upload a new file. So that is the folder there. Let me go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, there are 2 new links in the menu bar: Convert and My Conversions. My Conversions returns a list of all of the user's previous conversions, pulled from the conversions table in the database. Convert is the page to do the video conversions. The current options include changing the audio level, adding subtitles, adding a logo, or trimming the video. So let's do that. Let's say that I have this file. It's a bit long. I'm only really interested in the first section of it. The audio is a bit loud and I'd like to add some subtitles.
Freaked out by it's... Alright, fine. I'm freaked out. I'm having nightmares that I'm being chased by... Come on! Go!
So the first step is to choose the file. We can lower the audio. We can add a subtitle file that I created for this demo. We can also add a logo to the file. So in this case, let's use the camera logo that I've used for the site, and trim the video so that it only contains the section that we're interested in. You don't have to do all these steps. You can only do the ones that are relevant for your video, but for the purposes of this demo, I'll do them all. All of the files, so the video file as well as the subtitle and logo file, will be uploaded here to the users folder. To perform the conversions, I've used a FFmpeg wrapper for Python called FFmpy. You can see an example of the implementation here, where you specify inputs and output files, as well as what actions you'd like to do to the file. You then run the command. So it's quite straightforward. When the conversion is finished, it will return the file to you. I've added some prefixes here to signify that this is the new video. So let's have a look.
You're a jerk, Tom.
Look, Celia, we have to follow our passions. You have your robotics, and I just want to be awesome in space.
Why don't you just admit that you're freaked out by my robot hand?
I'm not freaked out by it's. All right, fine. I'm freaked out. I'm having nightmares that I'm being chased by these giant robotic.
So as you can see, the video has been trimmed to only the section that I specified. It has the logo and subtitles.
Robot's memory sync.
The audio has also been lowered as specified. That was it for this demo. It went a little bit over 2 minutes, sorry for that. I really enjoyed the course, so thank you so much to David and to all of the staff. That was CS50. Thank you everybody, and take care.